Good morning, everybody. My name is Los. This is Los Trades. Welcome to another video. It is October. Oh, whoa, not even October anymore. November 3rd, 7:53 a.m. 7 minutes until New York Open. If you guys haven't already, subscribed to the channel, like the channel, follow me on my Instagram account. I'm gonna start posting here more. I know I said it in the last couple of videos and I haven't posted. Going to, just trying to get caught up on everything that I'm doing outside of trading. Anyways, yeah, man. Let's get right into it. We have 7 minutes until frigging New York session, so we're kind of late. I'm late. I'm late for work. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am late for work. Okay, so let's get this out of the way so that we don't. Oh man, I deleted my sessions. Get this out of the way. All right, so the previous daily broke above this daily, sort of creating a new higher low. Yeah, sort of. But the overall time frame is it's probably creating a pullback here on the higher time frames. Oh, that was the 4 hour. Yeah, so higher low, continuation. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we're creating a pullback here on the 4 hour to continue going down later on. So what we know is that we have pretty big rejection area here on the 4 hour around 1778. So let's draw this because it makes sense over here, it even makes sense over here, but we'll just keep it simple for now. Let's not overdo too much on our zones because sometimes our zones can confuse us and, confuse when to take a trade. It's happened to me a lot of times before. So we do have this level right here, 1778 level. That's pretty. It's a rejection level, I would say. It's not really strong. It's just a rejection level. All right. So the previous 4 already broke above the this 4 hour already broke above the previous 4 hour. Looking down on the 1 hour. Right, looking down on the 1 hour. Let's move this actually. I really don't care about the left. Yeah. Move this. And then uh current or recent I should say support right here, obviously. And then the most recent resistance I would say is right here around 1788. At least on the 1 hour. Let's go down to the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah, I like this because of support right here, and then it was resistance. I like this a lot. Yeah. Looking to the left hand side, I guess pre-New York volume broke out of this little range that it was in. Continue going up for take it above here. Couple pips, 11 pips. Not too much. It just gets the thing is like look how price is right now. Prices and oh, we forgot to do the most important thing. Check news. Oh, a 15 ADP non-farm employment change. Oh wow. We are expecting, let's see, estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry and the government. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So previous, okay, so estimated change in the number of employed people. Previous, it was 568,000 people. They're forecasting 400,000 people. Okay. What else? 10 a.m. ISM services PMI. 2 p.m. we have FOMC statement, Federal Runs Rate, FOMC press conference. Wow, really packed freaking Wednesday here. Really packed Wednesday. Gotta really be careful with these news on gold. So, like I said, it's probably like ranging with like, look at this. This is horrible. This was last man. I can't even speak. This was yesterday's New York session, right? And then current Asian session or whatever. This is London session. Like, nothing really happened, man. Nothing really happened. So I think gold is just waiting for the news, I believe. So I'm gonna give it the news are in 17 minutes. So I'm gonna wait to the news. All right. So I'm not even gonna touch this right now. Let's go with G. Whoa, whoa! What the freak? This thing just took off. Wow. Cowboy entry from all the way over here. You would already been up 20 pips. Wow, that's amazing, actually. That is actually amazing. Oh man, I need to sneeze. Hold up. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. All right. Okay. So let's delete some zones here, because this is just from Asian session uh, analysis. I don't trade Asian session. I just like to take a look at it. All right. So we'll keep this level right here. Right. Recent support is right here. Obviously. Let's look at the daily. Daily's very bullish, but it could potentially just be making a top wick to continue going down. You know, but the 4 hour is made a low, made a higher low. Now, if it breaks this, it breaks this current market structure. As of right now, right here, this current market structure, not this current market structure. It might just be a deeper pullback, but you know, very interesting. So this is a previous form of, or a recent form of support. Oh, New York session is here, guys. I am late. Good job, Carlos. We do have a resistance right over here. Yeah, I feel like if we do break this resistance right here, I know we have a minor resistance right here, but I feel like with volume, price could just easily break that. But we never know. We never know. This is a pretty good range. Let's see. Yeah, 37 pip range. Yeah, it's 50 pip range, literally. This range is harder because we have rejections to the left. We got rejections here on this zone, and we have, this support row minus support right here, and then we have, our where our low was made. So, tough. Probably won't trade on this range. Yeah, really, that's really it. I mean, no, obviously, GPJPY news doesn't come out around this time, except 12 o'clock. But by that time, I'm gonna be off the news, honestly, or off the charts, I would say. So let's set on our alarms just to make sure. Alright, GPJPY. GPJPY buys. Wow, I always do that crap. GPJPY buys. Gold? Not looking at it. Um, yeah. So as always, I will fast forward to whenever something interesting is happening. Probably I'll wait 14 more minutes. Show you guys what happens with ADP non-farm employment change and how that affects gold, and then we can see gold go motherfucking ballistic. All right, so I'll see you then. All right, guys. 30 seconds until news is released here on gold. We will see what the effect is. It would either move um, immediately or it will move in the upcoming hours. The rest of this hour and the NYSE once the news is played into the markets. All that good stuff. So 7 seconds, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. Oh my gosh. That was, well, GJ got hit. Oh my goodness. That was a what? Let's see. That was the 13 pip drop in literally half a second. 13 pip drop in half a second. What were the numbers? What were the numbers? Oh wow. They were good numbers. Better than the previous month as well. So let's take a look at this again. Estimated change in number of people employed. So I'm inferring that there was more people employed the last month. That was really good numbers for USD actually. Really good numbers for the USD. So if you guys don't know, at least the correlation is this let's see. Da-da-da-da-da. USD, right? And then we have XAU, which is gold. I can't write on this. If there is, whoa, if there is good news for gold, so good news for gold, that means, or good news for USD, that means gold will drop down. If bad news comes out for USD, that means gold goes up. That's usually how the correlation goes. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I guess we could expect this to continue going further down. Really looking at GJ, this GJ trade was pretty good. I mean, don't get me wrong, but it's like, damn, we had already moved all of this way, 20 pips, and we had, if we were to take it above this area right here, it'd be only a 9 pip range, not considering spread and all that good stuff. But I don't know, just see what happens here on gold. Really, no movement as of now. Like I said, it might just happen like a little immediate move, and then later on, you know, next upcoming hour, the rest of this hour and the upcoming hour, it's gonna start moving and doing exactly what it's meant to do based on the news that we received. So, yep, there's that. Okay, guys, so I'm currently looking at this setup here on GJ 15-minute closing above this zone, potentially breaking the previous high and then continue to go up. It all depends how this new 15-minute candle opens, because we are getting into that new 4 hour and a new 1 hour. And we haven't closed above this range yet, so it can easily come right back down. So I'm just gonna see how this 15-minute plays out. If it starts to break the high, I think it would be a good indication to grab maybe 5 pips, 10 pips, whatever it gives us, and maybe get in another time. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. I would rather for it to make a bottom wick first, like how these candles have been making bottom wicks, and then continue to break up. But yeah, let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, yeah, it's like make a nice little bottom wick, continue going up, do its thing, or continue going up now. Should we take this trade? Because it has lot of volume towards the upside. Ooh, you see that? See how it just does that? Kind of tricks people. It kind of tricks people. So we just have to wait. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna make you guys wait here with me. Just letting you guys know the setup that I'm looking for. So if anything, I'll just show you guys when I'm. All right, guys, closely monitoring this trade. There's 4 minutes until the new 4 hour closes. So, like I said, waiting for the bottom wick to form, and then now, you know, it's forming, going up 5 pips, coming down here, reduce risk because this is a pretty risky trade. Not gonna lie to you, using a 10 lot here, waiting for it to go. Let's see. Come on, keep pushing. Let's get 10 pips on this trade. There we go, 7 pips. 7 pips, 7 pips. 7 pips, 7 pips. Closing custom, closing everything. Like I said, if it continues going up, it continues going up, but there's 3 minutes left until this this 1 hour and 4 hour um close. So I mean, I'm gonna take whatever I can from this trade. Like I said, if it continues going up, it continues going up. But I waited for my plan. I executed it, and of course, it was in the last 5 minutes. So you know, stop loss was right above here. As soon as it started to breaking up, I managed my risk, moved my stop loss right here. Took buys as soon as it started to break above, and got myself a nice little $500 win. Right, $500 win, basically offsetting a little bit of yesterday's lost profit. So now what we can do is we could either just wait for this next 1 hour to come down, wake up, and continue going up, right? Continue going towards the upside, or we can just stay out of the markets and just call it a day, right? Now our account is at 2300, 2300. So basically like 1%, 1 point something percent. Let's just get our thing here. So 2305 divided by 200, 1.1%. Obviously, it times up about 100. 1.1%. It's not bad. You see how important it was to secure profits? It was extremely important to secure profits at this level. On gold, you guys would not believe what happened on gold. News played out on gold. News played out perfectly on gold. Right? This is the news candle right here. Right? And then the preceding candle, right? This is what happened. 80 pips in how many minutes was that? 40 minutes? Yeah, so like that. 45 minutes, 40 minutes, 80 pips. So, yeah, it's crazy because we have FOMC. Everything's crazy right now on gold. I mean, some people took this trade. I just did not have the guts to take that trade. But we finally got a trade on GJ, man. We finally got something to work off, something to build our confidence. Really would want a 1 hour retest of this zone right here and then the continuation up. Perhaps to, I wouldn't say all the way over here, but perhaps to like right over here at 155.7. And yeah, man, like I said, bagged bagged a couple of pips and then just, got right out. Bagged a couple of pips and got right out. Right? So we're just gonna leave it at that. Um, and yeah, man, pretty good trade. I'm happy I was able to take a winning trade. And yeah, I'm talking way too freaking much. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, guys. So it is 2 minutes away from 10 a.m. I've been here on the charts looking. Let's take a look at gold right quick. When we got to the charts this morning, this is where gold was. All right, this is where gold is at now. 173 pips. Crazy. And there's news to come in a minute. There's more news to come in a minute on gold right here, ISM services. So really good numbers for USD, really good numbers. So obviously, as I explained, good numbers for USD means bad for gold, and it continue going down. Don't know what continuous news is gonna go. But I just wanted to show you guys this move that I'm winning here on GJ. Obviously, we came up. All right, broke above this 4 hour resistance, closed above over this 4 hour resistance. This 4 hour already did the retest that I wanted to, back to this level, and now expecting price to continue pushing forward to break the high and maybe continue up to 155, 70, 760, I would say. And yeah, this 1 hour is gonna close like this, sort of as a retest, and maybe hopefully, the next 1 hour can close something like, right, open. Let's say it closes right here. We can open something like this and then continue going up, or whatever the case may be. Um, but yeah, like I said, pretty nice move. Really, I don't think this should be affected at all. It's just really a minor resistance, right? Oh my gosh, whoa. Was this because of news? Should we take this trade? Whoa, 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 whoa. I think this is because of news, guys. Honestly, this might continue going up. Honestly, this might continue going up. See what the people are saying. Yeah, this should continue going up, man. Honestly, this should continue going up. Broke the 4 hour high. Yep, there it is. There it is. I don't know, man. I don't know. I have no idea. Honestly, I'm gonna stay away from this now. I really am. Cause it moved up. It hasn't even. It's only been a minute into the new 4 hour, or not the new 4 hour, the new 1 hour. Right? It's only been literally a minute. So for it to break the highs in a minute, I mean, yeah, it might continue going up, but it's like it makes it more risky because that means the markets are volatile right now. So it could go up just like this, but it could also go down the same exact same way. So it is what it is. If it does continue going up, like I said, it is what it is. I did not like how it moved so fast. Um, yeah, man. So honestly, this might continue going up. Really nice. Let's see what they're saying here in the community. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's look at what happened. Gold. Gold's breaking the low. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this, dude. A total of 180 something pips. What is IM services? Let's refresh this page right here. Uh, Level of diffusion index based on serving purchasing managers excluding the manufacturing. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Okay. Good numbers again for USD. Good numbers again for USD. So this should continue dropping, man. This should continue dropping. But like I said, it's following higher time frame bias. It's following like if you guys go back to the beginning of this video, right? Let's change the color of this. Let's change it to like I don't know blue. Right? I mentioned that on the higher time frame because we're on the daily here, we're just continuing to make lower highs and lower lows. So here we have a high right here to this rejection area at 1808. Right, high, lower high, oh, lower high, lower high, and this is just a continuation, right? Well, obviously with the help of news, but this is just a continuation. So really expecting price to probably come down to here as of right now because as I said, we have FOMC later, and dude, that thing is gonna go ballistic, like literally ballistic. Is that the right shade? I don't think it is. I think I need to go. Yeah, there it is. Maybe down to this. What's this right here? 1752, 1753 level. And then with FOMC, I have no idea what the heck is gonna happen. That comes out in like 5 hours, I believe. So yeah. Wow, look at this. See how it didn't really move? Cause I don't know, man. I just did not like that open. No bottom wick either. Yeah, guys, I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna call it a day here. Focus on other things. If this GJ trade continues to go up, I'll journal it, and see exactly, what happened. But I really didn't like this. How it opened and just shot straight up. So for the day, we made point 2, 0.24% on the day. This lucky on the terminal. This is the only trade I took today. About like 500 bucks, 600 bucks, not 500 bucks, yeah. Around 500 bucks for today. Only down 1.1% on the account. Literally not even worried about it. Because, like I said, moves like this, if this move would have happened um, in a setting that I was comfortable in, I probably would have gone full risk. I probably would have gone full risk here. And by full risk, I mean a 20 lot. And like I said, you know, I was waiting for this to happen on the 4 hour. Nice healthy stop loss for it to continue going up, like I said, to right here, which would be another 18 pips. If I was using the 20 lot, that would probably be around $3,000, almost $4,000. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere around there. But didn't happen, so I'm not gonna chase any plus I'm not even gonna touch anymore. So like I said, it is what it is, and we'll see what F1P does. And yeah, that's really it, guys. Like I said, we have time. There's no need to worry. Yesterday was a really tough day on my psychology. I'm not gonna lie, but this win right here gave me a little bit more confidence, even though it was a small one. So I'll see you guys in another FTMO recap. Like I said, make sure to subscribe, follow my Instagram account, and like I said, I'm hoping that you guys are able to learn from all of these videos and take something from these videos. I know I'm taking a lot, I'm learning a lot, and yeah, I really like this. I really like this journey that I'm on, regardless if I pass this FTMO challenge, or I repeat it, or I fail it. Really learning a lot about myself and really just reflecting on the things that I have to fix. So yeah, I see you guys on another one.
Wanted to come on here and show you guys exactly how GVP JPY played out. I guess it played out pretty nicely. Almost 40 pips. Right? Played out very nicely. 28 pips, almost 30 pips in total. Um, yeah, man, it is what it is. Really, really nice setup here on the 4 hour. Um, Minimal drawdown. Like I said, 1 hour retest. Broke above, started breaking above, and it just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Unfortunately, didn't take it. Tired of saying that at this point. Didn't take it, but just wanted to show you guys a little update. Gold continued to drop. It's dropped about, let's see, from right here, it's dropped 213 pips. Literally ridiculous. News, all this. Probably gonna continue dropping even more. Oh, you guys were supposed to see that. It's probably gonna continue dropping a little bit more, but yeah, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy day. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Crazy, crazy day on the markets today. Crazy day on the markets.